Good day, classmates. Today I'm gonna perform my storybook. The story of Pinocchio. Giuseppe was a good wooden toy maker. This made him very popular in the whole town. Giuseppe was also kind to children. He feels happy when children watch him while working. One time, a brilliant idea came to Giuseppe's mind. He would carve a wooden boy. Giuseppe felt glad when he finally finished his work. It was a wooden puppet that looked like a real boy. Giuseppe would sleep with the wooden boy. He called the puppet Pinocchio. He wished Pinocchio was a real boy and was his very own son. Giuseppe was shocked when he woke up one morning. Pinocchio was not at his bedside. He later found him talking to a fairy. I gave you life so that Giuseppe would be happy. But you have to promise me you won't tell lies. If you do, your nose will grow longer. Giuseppe sent him to school, but Pinocchio got involved with bad classmates and later learned to skip classes with them. Somebody told Giuseppe of Pinocchio's mischief. Is it true that you are skipping classes? No, I didn't, Pinocchio answered. Are you hanging around with bad boys? No, I'm not. Each time he lied, his nose grew longer. The fairy appeared. She knew what Pinocchio had been doing all along. Didn't I tell you not to tell lies? Pinocchio felt so ashamed. He asked for forgiveness for telling so many lies. I will never do it again, he promised. Pinocchio fulfilled his promises. He proved that he has changed and could now be trusted. The fairy felt happy for Pinocchio. Giuseppe wished Pinocchio could be transformed into a real boy. Pinocchio also wished he was not just a wooden puppet. The fairy granted Giuseppe and Pinocchio's wishes. The two felt so happy when Pinocchio had been transformed.